Final. Yes. Oh, I don't know if I'm live or not. But let's wait and see. Currently I'm in a setup. But I'm fixing this stream thing. Okay, I don't know if I got into the stream or not. So let's see. We are creating these things one step at a time. So let's see how it's going to behave, man. Let's see. So currently I'm in a gold trade. This gold trade is kind of giving me what will I call it? An easy time, man, because gold kind of want to be bearish, but I'm on a long. I don't want to close the trade. Man, but I'll hold to whatever I believe is good. And currently, whatever I believe is good is my longs. I might be very careful because, as you can see, I got to the setup. It went straight to a drawdown. What an achievement, man. What an achievement, man. What an achievement. You so welcome to the biggest channel, man. Officially we are live streaming, man. I'm loving this. I'm enjoying this. So currently we are in a trade. We are in a long trade. As you can see, I got into the setup during the Asian session and straight went to losses. This has been a very mega drawdown, man. So this drawdown was not easy, man, for me. Although I was asleep, I won't lie. I was asleep. And I woke up to this, but the market tried to come back and recover. But I have been analyzing deeply this gold setup, and I'm kind of uneasy. I'm not very sure about this setup. I'm kind of, what will I say? I don't know if I trust this setup. That's the simple words I can use. So I will be very careful. I'm very careful. I almost closed it at break even and observe what the market is going to do. I almost closed it at break even. I'm trying my hard to hold it because it's a good setup, but I've been looking at the candlestick's closure, and the candlestick closure is changing a lot of things. And I said candlestick closure can change the whole direction of the market. All right, but we are going to try and hold it. I will be very, very careful. But if we hit a stop loss, it's another Tuesday. If we hit a TP, it's another Tuesday. So I don't know what to do with this setup. I won't lie, man. So the next setup that we were into was this. Oh, we were looking at was BTC. No, sorry, we didn't have any setup on BTC. We did not have any setup on BTC actually. I'm remembering that right now. The next setup that we had was Euro USD and GBP USD. Okay, those were the pairs that we were looking. Remember, we are not trading them, we are just observing. And I did not take the Euro USD setup. I did not place my positions because I said I don't backtest, I trade in real life. I did not. So this is what I'm saying. This is the GBP. This is going very well, although right now it's trying to retrace, which is not a bad sign. So this is what I'm talking about, Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD. Remember, I had a short on this. I had a short on this. Okay, I had a short on this. I did not take that setup. I should have taken that setup and see how it's going to move, because as of yesterday, this market decided to come and respect these levels. Okay, these were not my levels, but the market decided to come and respect them. I observed, I waited, and I saw that I was not ready to get into setup until the closure of the candlestick. That was a 4 hour. The 4 did not close as I wanted. I just still left it like that. So I have been waiting for it. As you can see, during the Asian session, it came to our levels, respected very well, and almost gave us a beautiful setup. Okay, now we are talking because the market has come to a level. We're going to wait and see. If it comes here, I will execute that placement. This is not a trade. I won't execute the trade. I will execute the placement. I said I don't backtest, I trade in real life. So I simulate how I trade. I simulate my waiting. I simulate my psychology until the market comes to my level. So I'm going to be very careful. When it comes there, I will take that setup and place it and see if it's going to respect my trading analysis, man. That's all. I am in a live stream right now. It took me time to figure out how I'm supposed to do it, but right now I'm in a live stream. I'm still observing and analyzing its quality. The quality is good, guys. The quality is good, I won't lie. The quality of the live stream, beautiful, right? Now, let's go here. Wait and see what our setup is trying to do, and see what we are going to do, man. This setup is scaring me a little bit. It's a very beautiful setup, man. But the market is doing whatever it feels like or whatever it wants. I don't want it to close below this support. I don't want it to turn this support into a resistance. But we're in the market. What can we do? We are in the market, man. We are in the market. And we are 3 minutes towards the open of London session. 3 minutes towards the open of London session. So, such my lives, man. Right now, I'm on live, man. The algorithm finally has accepted me to stream, man. I will stream. If you think I don't have a lifestyle, I say that. The moment my streams will be made public, like they have been done, you people will think I don't have a lifestyle, man. So this is my TP, this is my entry, TP1, TP2, TP3. You know how I trade, man. Let's place those ones. Let's place those ones, man. So this is guys, come on. Yeah, TP1. That's my TP1 levels. But I'm very, very keen on these zones. This zone is controlling the movement of the market. So, and overall, as gold has been dropping, so buying gold is a very risky endeavor. TP2. But what can we do? We decided to be traders. We decided to have good psychology. We decided that whenever we take our setups, we don't get out of those setups. So let me deal with my consequences of my psychology. This was is called dealing with the consequences of your psychology, because if it was the time I was starting trading, right now I'll be out of this setup. I will be gone. I wouldn't risk a setup that I'm seeing as if it's not respecting my strategy. That was me when I was starting trading. Right now, I analyze, I dive into the setup. I have a very hard time getting out of the setup. I have to respect it, okay? Because nobody is 100% sure of the market. Everyone is selling, but somehow I'm buying, man. But why? Because of my analysis, man. I'm not everyone, I'm myself. I trade the way I feel fit. Okay, although this setup is a little bit scary, but we are taking it anyway. So I can close the whole setup at TP2 if the market direction changes. I say the market does not just change, okay? The market direction does not just change, right? So that's it for the recording. Let's meet on the live streams. Man. So this is the market update. Let's wait and see. So look at that. This is beautiful, man. Let's wait and see. Man, this flu wants to attack me, man, when I'm supposed to be talking the most, man. I think the market is open right now. The New York session is on, man. The New York session is on. Any questions, any query? Time to interact, man. You don't know how happy I am, man, for the live stream, man. This was the main reason as to why I started this channel. To have live streams everywhere, man. Live streams back to back. Actually, when I started this video, the only thing I wanted to do was live stream. Nothing else. Live stream. And things don't go as you plan. I found myself posting, man. This channel was supposed to be of live streams alone. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. Feels great to know that your content is somewhere outside there helping people enjoying it, you know. It feels great, I won't lie. This is the best feeling you can have as a content creator, as a trader, as a human being. Comment section, I'm waiting for you. You can eat. Biggest channel to be, biggest channel making, biggest channel coming, man. So, building a step at a time, man. Building a step at a time. Eventually, you're going to make it. Where's the New York pressure, man? I want to know which direction we are heading. Give you the New York pressure. If you understand what you're doing in trading, you enjoy every moment of it. But if you don't know what you're doing, you're suffering every moment of it, man. Trading is one of the endeavors that has taught me things don't go as you plan. Life has its own direction and ways of. This candlestick closure will determine a lot, man. This candlestick closure will determine a lot, man. All right, it will determine a lot. It will determine a lot. If it closes bearish, if it closes bearish, man, I'll have to save my account, you know. Okay. If it closes bearish, that's not a good sign. That's not a good sign because the previous 4 hour shown that bears were in control of the market, and I should be very cautious and careful. There we go. I think the New York pressure has started to come in. BTC is down almost 3.0. Oil is up 0.6. USD is down 0.10. It is not a good sign. We have gbpjpy is down. eurusd is down. Okay. eurusd now. I'll be very cautious of how this candlestick closes, man. Okay. This candlestick, am I looking? There you are. No. There. But why did I remove it? I want you there. I got in there. The issue with trading, if you move just a little bit, an inch, you have moved the wrong thing. So this is the candlestick I'm very cautious on. I'm observing it. I want to see how it's going to close. So we're enjoying this content, man. They're in this gold setup. We are in this gold setup. So we're just waiting. We decided to take longs on gold because why not? Our analysis told us to take long. It's a little bit scary, but The beauty of this setup is it took me straight to draw down after getting in. As you can see, this was entry straight to drawdown, as I have been saying for the first few minutes of this live stream. Straight to drawdown, but psychology is key. I'm still holding on. I ain't going to worry about anything. This 1 hour candlestick will determine a lot on how it's going to close. It's going to tell me who are going to take control of the trading of the setup, of the gold setup. The beauty of trading is candlesticks prints what is happening in the market. Okay, this is the beauty. It doesn't lie. The candlestick shows you who is in control. Welcome. The new guy, welcome, man. Welcome to Chatswell, man. Very grateful and happy to have you around, sir. Or madam, wherever you are, welcome to Chatswell. Don't feel shy. If you are okay, you can comment. Give your opinion. This is a channel where we enjoy opinions, man. This is why I'm creating this big channel. Welcome. Where is the New York buying pressure or selling pressure, man, so that we can know where we are? The market is kinda quiet today, but I think most of the movements happen in Asiasession because this was a very big drop. This was a very big drop, man. Gold was down up to I think 1 point something %. This is 1 hour. This is 1 hour time frame. Not bad. It's good. 1 hour time frame. I like to trade on 4 hour time frame, but because of the live streams, we are going to play around with 1 hour because of the kind of movements, and we will be able to have more activities in the charts. Remember, the 4 hour time frame, you don't see any activity, man. You even think the market is not moving. Enjoying the music, man. Enjoying the music. Creating one of the biggest trading channels to be. One of the biggest trading channel in making, man. I'm making history. trading, much of what we do is waiting, man. Sitting and waiting, nothing much. Sitting and waiting. That's that's one of the most tiresome thing or hard thing to master as a trader. Sitting and waiting. No matter the movements, no matter what, sit and wait. But if you don't have the psychology to do that, it will be very hard. Okay, I'm liking the bull pressure. So the bulls, if they keep coming in like this, it's going to flip the candlestick. Okay, if the 1 hour candlestick is going to change, and we are almost. Let me see how long we have before the 4 hour candlestick closure happens. Oh, 8 minutes. 8 minutes to the closure of the 4 candlestick. And as you can see, I'm liking this tail. I'm liking this wick. I'm loving it. So, but we have to wait for the closure of the candlestick. We don't rush things if we haven't seen the closure of the candlestick. So let's wait and see. Always wait for the closure of the candlestick. Let's wait. Closure is very important. The closure of the candlestick is very important. Stop assuming the candlestick is going to your direction and yet it's not closed yet. It's not done printing. Always wait for the data to finish printing. I'd like to know where these trading strategies came from, because the people who invented trading strategies, they are very creative people, man. Because for us, we learn them, but they created them. I would like to know what inspired them. Those people are geniuses, man. Those people are good at pattern recognition. It's not going on. I don't know anyone with the most perfect and most accurate news update on the Iran situation. because the Iran situation is becoming a little bit scary. So we wait for the candlestick to close. Let's wait and see how Iran situation is going. Iran will live. Iranian officials to meet with Qataris on MOU. Frozen funds. Okay, that's not bad. US-Iran latest peace deal efforts inch along, made by Israel fight with Hezbollah. Israel is still attacking Hezbollah. Update: US envoys arrives in Qatar for talks with mediators about Iran. East Life updates: US and Iran gear up for meeting in Qatar. So the meeting is on. I thought they had said they are not meeting anymore. I said, if the Iranians were wise, they will not let the world replace them. And I use the same analogy I used on Ukraine. After the Ukraine war broke, price of oil went up big time. Price of oil went up big time. That was the Biden era. But with time, the world found new ways to get oil. As you can see, the war is on, but the prices of oil are not as impacted as they used to be in the beginning of the war. I should tell some. Oh yeah. One more minute to the closure of the candlestick. One more minute. One more minute. I told you a minute can change everything in the market, man. That's why we are waiting for the closure of the candlestick. I said I have seen a bull candle turn bearish in seconds and a bearish candle turn bull in Chat's World finally is live, man. Finally, man, after struggles, man. Finally we did it. Finally we did it. The only thing remaining is you guys to come and we can enjoy these streams together. Oh Lord, I'm happy. Oh lie, I'm happy. I'm happy. Big time happy. see how the 4-hour candlestick closed. Let's see how the 4-hour candlestick has closed. It's fun, man. Oh, I like this. I like this. Let's zoom. I like this. I like this. I like this. Let's hold. Let's hold, man. Let's hold our setup. But we are going to be very cautious at this level. This is the TP1 level, so we are going to be very cautious on them because this resistance is very strong, man. Thank you for the like. Thank you for the like, man. It means a lot. I have been holding this setup from asiasession, man. That is the beauty of it. Psychology is good. My psychology is top. I've been holding it from the asiasession. Those drawdowns were not easy, man. But we did it anyway. I have realized most traders are not trading during the New York session. Most traders online are saying that the New York session is very manipulated and they are trading during the London session or the Asian session. But the New York session, most retail traders are not trading. I don't know how true that is. Let's keep on holding on. We have the heat. If you people know how Europe is under, literally they are being cooked, man. They are under fire, man. The heat is too much. No. More than 1,300 deaths in Europe amid heat wave. What? What can countries do? Bro, this is scary. Imagine dying out of heat, man. The heat is too bad. It's melting the tarmac roads, man. The roads are melting. You know how hot it has to be to melt tar. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the heat, man. What? Thank God we are in Africa, man. You know, we thought global warming was a joke until its impact has started in Europe, man. We had a twin earthquake also hitting Venezuela. Bro, you can't tell me that global warming is not a thing, man. This is a serious thing. scary, man. Scary stuff. Oh, bro. Thank God, man. How do you deal with heat? How do you deal with that? How do you, bro? Someone come with a way to solve it. Please, someone come with a, because how do you deal? Imagine if those countries and how developed they are, they have no solution to this. And you know those countries are our hopes, man. Someone come up with a good theory on how to solve this stuff. That heat wave, bro. That's the worst way to die, man. You are literally baked to death because the heat is so serious. It's like you are in an oven. The governments are allowed in France. The France country is allowing people to swim in rivers to cool, man. People are dying trying to escape the heat. People are jumping into the rivers and they don't know how to swim. You're running away from the heat and you end up drowning, man. So are we even living in real life, or we are living in a movie? Those are very interesting things to hear and know. As a trader, you learn a lot about. Before I was a trader, I didn't care about global news. I only cared about political news in my country. Who is insulting who is fighting who. Right now, I'm seeing things I can't believe it's real life. Still holding the trade. Still holding the trade. It's a beautiful long, man. Still holding the trade, man. Let's wait for it to come to our TP1 levels. So, let's wait for it to come to our TP1 levels. Very few pips. When gold decides to move, it moves very fast and very many pips. That's the beauty of trading gold. Meanwhile, let's enjoy the live stream. I don't know for how long I'll be streaming. As long as I feel like, okay. Ooh, look at that push. That push was strong, man. Look at that. I think the volumes, the New York volumes are in, man. The New York volumes are in. Always wait for the closure of candlesticks, man, because it gives confirmations and entries to the market. This will be one of the biggest streaming channel on YouTube, man. That's one thing I'm certain, man. That's one thing I'm certain. So if you're watching, please subscribe so that this channel can be recommended to more people. So that this channel can be recommended to more people, man. Nowadays, the market it's not even afraid of the CPI, the NFP. The market has changed too much ever since Trump came into power. During the Biden era, we were too afraid of the CPI news to move pips and pips, so many pips. Right now, CPI is another day on the market, man. Nowadays, I don't look even at those news, man. I don't know when was the last time I looked at them, because I realized they are not impacting the markets as they used to. I'm expecting they will start impacting because of the new Fed chair. That's Kevin Walsh. I think he was appointed by Trump, so he will be speaking for Trump, man. I think that's why the market will start respecting. But let's wait and see. That's the beauty of trading. The uncertainty. You're not certain about anything. You are not certain about anything. That's the beauty of trading. You're not certain if a new government comes or a new chair comes, if they will change the direction until it happens in the charts. Okay. Kevin Walsh has been in office for more than 2 weeks, but he is not making the impact with them. But maybe he will do it gradually. Yo, welcome to the biggest trading channel, man. I'm feeling good. I don't know how to explain. Chats world to the world. Bro, I'm enjoying every moment of this stream. I will lie, my first stream, and I can see someone else is watching, but it means a lot. Can see I have another like, it means a lot. Bro, it means a lot. We are going far. We're going to be streaming for hours, man. How is the quality of the stream? Sometimes in life you have to make decisions that everyone thinks you are crazy about. Today is on a Tuesday, I'm in the house, I'm streaming, nobody knows what I'm doing. If you tell Africans to stay in the house and do what I'm doing, they think you are crazy because we were wired in a way that we believe we have to be outside to make money. Okay. We have to be outside to socialize. But the world is changing. So I made a decision to believe in whatever I'm doing. That was the best decision I ever made. I believe in whatever I'm doing. Believe, man. And yet, here I am. It's always a gradual thing. Nothing happens overnight. I have learned that. It's a gradual thing. It's a gradual thing. I don't know if you know about the snowball effect. This is where the snowball starts as a very small thing. But as it rolls down the hills or the mountains, it continues to gather more snow, and it becomes big. By the time it's coming to the end of the mountain from the peak, it's a very big snowball. That's life, man. Whatever you're doing, believe in it. Slowly you'll gather momentum. I'm doing the same thing. One day I will come to this life and I will be very proud I did it. Yeah. Still holding the trade. Still holding the trade. Still holding the trade. I share my trades on Mondays, my full market breakdown on Mondays. and I give an update on Wednesdays, and I give a closing week update on Friday. That's me. So I'll try my best to stream almost every day. As long as I'm available, I'll stream almost every day. With time, I will decide which session to trade on. But for now, I'll be doing it randomly. Type Asian session, New York session, London session. Sometimes all sessions because I don't sleep a lot. So that's why I'm saying I'll be streaming so many hours. Few people will think I don't have a life. Let's go, gold. Let's go. Let's go. Pump gold. Let's go. Never be excited by a trade. Never be excited by a trade. That's one of the things I have learned. Because excitement leads you to make decisions that you're not supposed to make. Get the skill first, the rest will fall. That's what I did. I got the skill first, the rest is following. And here we are today on a live stream. Don't forget to subscribe, man. So, we're creating the biggest trading channel here. Biggest trading channel in making. Biggest trading channel. It will be mega, man. Thousands of subscribers. Thousands of trades. Thousands of dollars to be made. Thousands of euros. Thousands of pips to be printed, man. That's what I know. Mega thing. This is what I was talking about. Gold can move, man. Gold was at 0 point something, sometimes 0 point negative. Look at it right now. It's at 1.0 something percent, man. When gold decides to move, this thing can move, man. Oh, BTC Euro is down 1.92%. What? BTC investors right now, man, are crying, man. They are crying, man. Those people who bought BTC at its highest, that was 100,000. But right now they're in drawdowns, man. They are in drawdowns, and we are talking about millions and millions of dollars. Let's look at how much. We are 2026. This feature of using AI to think when you ask something, it's very good. 30% of its value since the start of 2026. Sorry, the cryptocurrency fell below 60,000, bringing its total decline to over 50% since its peak of around 126 8 months ago. What? The extent sell-off has wiped out more than 2 trillion. So it had roughly 4 trillion. Because it has lost 50%, and 50% is 2 trillion. Capitalization across the border digital asset market. At a point it was 126,000, man. 100. Ooh, that's a lot of value. lot of money. That's a lot of money. Bro, Ish. Hey, BTC, hey, have mercy. Hey, BTC, chill, my guy. It was never this serious. What? That explains why most Bitcoin traders kill themselves. But this year, a lot of BTC traders have killed themselves. A lot of crypto traders, to be specific, have killed themselves. Especially the first drawdown that happened. That was insane. People lost money, man. Big money. And the 30 minutes candlestick has closed. And it has closed very bullish. So we are forming another 30-minute candle. I think this is the beginning of its creation. Let's go to 30 minutes. We have time. This is a live stream where we have time and we can enjoy. Let's go to 30 minutes. There. This one. See how it's going to behave. Keep on holding, keep on holding, keep on holding. Don't worry. The scare I had at the beginning of the stream is gone because the market has moved. I was very afraid of, I wouldn't say afraid, but uncertain because of this. As you can see, I had drawn a circle here. Because of this, I was very uncertain, man. But right now, the market has given us a good trajectory. Let's wait. Always keep your emotions in check. I keep my emotions in check. Just going outside there and making noises at the weekend. Talking a lot, socializing. It kind of keeps your emotions in check because as a trader, most of the time we spend most of our time in the house. We spend too much time. So we don't have a way of releasing those emotions and they end up showing up in our trading. So always make sure your emotions are in check. always make sure your emotions are in check. That's the biggest thing, man. Your skill and your emotions. The capital is not that big over here, because you can have as much money as you want, but without the skills and the good psychology, you're doing nothing. BTC is still dropping. I still can't believe BTC has lost almost 50% of its value. We are in the second quarter of the year. With that, and it has dropped almost 50%. What will happen by the end of the year? Maybe it's going to bounce back. Next month is the year that I want to make a lot of money on trading. Because we have August and July. Those 2 months, I started them last year and realized they can make you a lot of money. A lot. Because something happens in the market. Yes. Still holding the setup. I have nothing else to do. We are committed at this moment. This is a marriage right now. And there's no divorce. Either our contract comes to an end, that is our TP1, or the death of one of us. One of us have to win. So that's what I mean by the death of one of us. One of us has to win, either the market or me. So that's it. We're fully committed. Fully. What else can we do? Commitment. What else? Commitment. No in between. Let's go. Push, man. Go. Let's go. Go. Let's go. Keep on pushing, man. I think that will be enough for live stream today. My internet has started to misbehave. So I'll end it there. And after that, I can give you an update of the market itself now. Just one out, just one out. I don't know what is happening with my audio.